Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, this is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive all the information on what you need to do to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Hello there. So, I am going to talk about why you really need to make sure that you specialize in one area of cleaning. It's really important. And the main reason is because I find that a lot of people are scattered. They're trying to do daycares, and then they're trying to do offices, then industrial, then car dealerships. Once you really understand one, I would then add another and another, but it would only be once I've gotten at least 3 or 4 contracts in that one industry. Now, why is that important? The reason why that's important is because you seem to find what the problems are with the customers in those particular sweet spots. So let's say, for instance, you're looking at doing offices. Probably one of the biggest concerns and one of the problems with office is that they forget the trash, or they don't set the alarm, or they may forget to clean the restroom a certain kind of way. And they seem to be a little bit more particular when it comes to cleaning the restrooms in offices. So that's the reason why you really want to make sure that in an office, you clean the office restroom really well as the cafeteria. And probably one other really sweet spot is going to be the conference room and the president's office. So those are the areas that you really want to pay attention to. And those president offices can make or break your account. And the restrooms and the break in the cafeteria can as well. Also make sure that you don't use anything that has like this real perfume heavy smell. There are a lot of people that are very nose sensitive. Their scent is really heightened. So you want to make sure that you don't use something that has that really high perfume kind of smell to it. Now, let's say, for instance, you're doing daycares. There's going to be a whole different area that your customer is going to be concerned about when it comes to doing daycares than they are when it comes to doing office space. So you want to really specialize in one area where you become very familiar with what your customers' pain points are. And then when you address that in your marketing and your walkthrough, you will start to see your sales increase drastically. So this comes down to the sales acquisition. I always kind of like to break it out because once again, when you're looking at automating your sales, your attraction, your retention, you want to put all those on an automated sale when it comes to a system as soon as you can. Always think about taking yourself out. And if your business was running without you for a couple of weeks, what would you need to have in place to make sure that happened? So I love to look at what areas you really need to focus on. This one kind of goes under the sales acquisition. When you're doing your walkthrough, when you're looking at closing the deal, you want to already have what is some of the main problems when it comes to the industries like I talked about. So with daycare, a lot of times it is the urine smell in the urinals for the children because they are urinating on the floors and on the toilets. And so that has it clings to everything and it has like a smell. So that would be something that would probably be totally different than if you're going to clean with grown adults inside of an office building. So once again, try not to be scattered. Try not to be all everywhere. Focus on one key area, specialize in that area, and then take it from there. And if you'd love to learn more about marketing, customer attraction, acquisition, and retention, then check out the masterclass on Blueprint for Growing Your Six-Figure Cleaning Business. We actually give you the blueprint on how to do that, and we go step by step on what we did to build all 3 of our cleaning businesses in totally different areas with different markets. And we realized that after we did a lot of trial and error, we found out what worked and what doesn't, and we'd love to pass that on to you. So if you'd love to learn that, then make sure you click the link below. That way you can register for our 6-figure blueprint. We take you through everything we did and kind of show you the ropes without spending all the time and money that we did to learn that. Would love to see you there. Live presentation. We do a Q&A after. So it's a lot of fun. And if you're really serious about scaling your business to 6 figures, that is exactly what our purpose is here on this channel and I would love to see you join us. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.